friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. I hope you all are doing good. Festive season is coming up. I got a lot of return gift ideas planned for you guys for this festive season. I created these projects for beginner friendly that you can easily make at home. In today's project, I am going to make mini Pooja Peetams. For the Pooja Peetam design, I created this hand-drawn design and converted this hand-drawn design into a digital design that you can easily download and create this beautiful Pooja Peetam easily at home. Your friends and family will cherish these return gifts. Or create these as home decor for yourselves. Before getting started, you know the drill. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, please comment below the video. I'll be more than happy to answer all your comments, and I read each and every one of your comments. 4 by 4 inch wood base, 4 wood knobs 3/4 inch in size, tracing paper and pencil, wood glue, paint brushes and dotting tool, acrylic paints. First step in the project is to get the digital print in the right size. Please check out video description. The digital design is attached in the video description. If you print this digital design without resizing it, this is how it would print. You don't want this. To get the right size like this, first copy the image onto a Word document, then resize it into 4 by 4 inch size and then print it out. If you print the digital image directly, this is how it would look. If you resize and print it, this is how it would look. Cut the printout and tracing paper. Using wood glue, I'm gonna attach these wooden knobs to the wood base.
After attaching the feet, let it dry completely before starting painting.
This is how the mini Pooja Peetam would look after the knobs are all attached. Pastel colors are trending these days. I'm going to use these two colors to create design on top of this wood peetam. I'll use this one for the base and this one for the feet.
Add 2 to 3 coats of paint to get the perfect color.
It's time for tracing. Place this tracing paper on top of this wood base. Place the design on top of the tracing paper. Align the wood base, tracing paper and the printout together so that they don't move around. Hold the tracing paper tight and start tracing.
If you see tracing paper marks, just use an eraser and remove them, or repaint those areas where you have black spots.
I'm going to finish the lotus design on top of this Pooja Peetam using white, pink and green color. Please follow along to finish the lotus design on top of this Pooja Peetam. I'll see you guys at the end of the video with the final reveal of the project. My Pooja Peetam project. Using a digital printout, you can easily create this design at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this beautiful DIY project. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.